more.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, shop boss people. Yeah man people. You see me? Watch out people. Tax money. You see me I say? Right? It's somehow you have some problem with the tax office. You see me I say? Where they go and pay their traffic bill and things. You see me I say? You see me? Right? So I ask the Prime Minister to fix the system. You see me I say? Fix up the system because the system right? And man show us about bonfire you're watching. He might have receipt for all traffic bill and pay. All them bill. This man say he might have receipt. This man scan back full people. You understand man, this man serious. You see me? Yeah man. But while people here some tax man out there complain people. Are complain saying that oh them pay off them bill. This man say all them traffic bill and pay it off people. This man say, but yet still, police are starting on the road and check them license and say, boy, you're watching. Them owe outstanding bill. You understand what I say? So it seems that the system really want to fix up people. It seems that the system really want to fix up. Right? I'm Mr. Prime Minister. Virgin, are you around the country? This man say, get a thing fixed up, man. This man say, get a thing fixed up because you are in the country, brother. Right? You see me? And the man have pressure, the taxi man have pressure from the police. You see me, I say, brother? Get the thing fixed up, brother. You see me? Get the system fixed up. Because the man must pay them bill, but you see police bought them from the road, brother. And run them license, right? And I say them over outstanding bill. Yeah man. So you need to get the thing fixed up, Mr. Prime Minister. Right? And watch how this man a bossy. The man a shopping receipt them people. He man have receipt for every traffic. Every traffic bill, man have them, bad man, pat. You see me? But somehow people, problem did it. You see me I say? So the Prime Minister need to fix up the system. You get me? Yeah man people, take a listen. You see me I say? Take a look and take a listen people. Shop Boss TV. The thumbs button. Yeah man.
Yeah.
Me and the something.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Long time.
Andrew Wallace. See it, I'm a boss. All of these, when I pay, come back on the printout, boss. You see the receipt them here? Proper receipt.
Right.
See here, boss. All of these, 300 and...
White paper
See
meal
there?
here.
Come out of my video. See here, boss?
Right.
All of the receipt.
Everything.
All of this.
And you come back
this
on
is the printout.
Right.
I go to the camp road and get my boss.
Right.
So boss, me I beg you to just correct the system for me, please.
Hold this with it now.
Me I beg you just correct the system. This is the ticket, sir.
Right.
And this is the receipt.
Right.
See there, bossy?
I see
So
it.
bossy,
See that blow it?
I don't want you to, I'm not in the disrespect.
Right.
Just get to who is there.
Right.
In charge.
Right.
And just make the correct the system, man.
Yeah, can you
boss.
correct for it,
because I'm interested and willing
Right.
to pay my ticket them. See there, bossy?
Right.
All of these on the ground.
Right.
Come back on the printout, bossy.
That is it.
Okay,
So
Andrew
pay
Wallace. So bossy, just big up yourself.
Right.
Have a wonderful day. My name is Tuggy. Alright, bossy?
AKA
Half a tree
Big up.
finest.
Big up yourself, boss. Half a tree, New Kingston. See there, bossy? I pay all my ticket, everything come back on the printout. Okay, bossy?
All
So
right.
just correct who is there running the system.
Spin the book,
See there,
spin the
bossy? All of this. This is
How
the
much ticket
printout.
director now?
See there, bossy? See there, bossy? Everything come back on the printout.
Right.
Bossy.
See the proof there?
Okay, see the proof there, bossy?
Everything is here.
Alright.
Alright?
Okay.
All the white
Eddie,
paper. Yeah,
thing
man.
of
Evidence are put back together. All the evidence
do this,
put
you know?
back together.
They just dash it for them, man.
Dash
No,
it for
them
them,
get fucked. He might be
That's
smart
one
one.
of my problems.
He might be. He might be.
A couple of $2,000.
Put it in a bag.
You notice? You know?
So with him grocery bag.
Yes, man.
That is it.
A year's this night, chunk, you know?
That's what my boss.
Yeah, man. What is what about
So you
is
now
that?
put this with that.
No, man.
Tuggy,
That
tuggy.
yeah, by
This
itself.
is part
Half
one.
a tree and New
So the more you know
Kingston's
yourself.
finest.
This is part one.
Part
And
one.
then when you.
I make sure I spend my money and buy a grocery bag. A scandal bag in the D9.
Hold on.
Hello. Yeah. Save. Star boy, I save this man. No, not about the house. The house catch a fire. I saw them. Speed the car, stick it before phone lock out. Catch a fire. Hold on.